Hello everyone, this is Rai Shekharan from Trend2Step. In this presentation, I'm going to share you the May month robust double calendar performance. So this is a very quite stable month and we had excellent performance in the robust double calendar. I wanted to share with you in this presentation. Let's jump in. Legal disclaimer. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, if you look at that, this is our real trade, and we initiated beginning of the first week with this kind of profile, and this is our real trade. Okay, this is my trade, and many of them traded with different quantity and different by capital margin. And if beginning of the months, if we somewhere we are around 9,450 or somewhere here. Here only we started it, and it's quite flat month, and we really banked the profile. I closed around closely 1.8 to 2% of profit because I had some other trades are going on, and other students are booked really banked on with a lot of profit and more than 5% of booked. Okay, it's really quite a good month and doesn't have to be adjusted. Okay, this is basically the robust double calendar required a lot of adjustments if market moves. But this month, really gave did not allow it to adjust or anything. It just have to quite sit and enjoy the theta decay. We also wanted to say that this month is quite a IV drop. Okay, what IV drop regularly calendar does that if IV drops, the calendar will become a typical calendar become it goes like this. Okay, but what we have adjusted, we are actually negative Vega, not positive Vega actually. So with that said, dropping of Vega, so we are actually banked more money than the regular calendar. That's the reason we are saying that we have a robust double calendar system. Okay. So performance of May, we booked roughly averagely 2% to 2 to 3% we booked it, and many of the members earned their the course fee more than course fee. Okay. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay. Still, there are many people are asking about what is the option system. So option system is slightly different than the option strategy. Option strategy is just an idea and you can get it in the internet. Okay. A double calendar is available in internet itself, but doesn't have a proper setup or anything tested, or it's not suited to the particular asset. What we have done it, we have tinkered it, we added our flavors, we have adjusted it, we have made it a robust that the double calendar that works on every month after month. So this we made it as an all-rounder system. So typically the system consists of learning the entry, the rules, and then we also have the position sizing, portfolio allocation, exit rule, upside adjustments, downside adjustments, simulation, and then 30 minutes one-on-one slot for doubt clarification. Other than that, additionally we are offering the Telegram group, and where you will see the live actions and the live supports. Okay. The simulation actually lasts 1 year simulation, which is a 12 months, 12 videos. Okay, and downside adjustment we have 10 types of different adjustments, and upside adjustment we have 10 types of different adjustments. Okay, predefined exit rules, portfolio allocation, position sizing, the rules, entry rules. This will make you robust in the system. So even if you're working, if you can able to spend 30 minutes in a day, then this system suits for you. Okay, and this not addiction. You don't have to watch this entire day, and you just have to sit and type and follow the rules. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. There's a typical difference. As I told you, this is a typical double calendar system. This is our robust double calendar system. Okay. So what happens is typically the May month IV drop. When the moment IV drop, Vega drop, what happens is double calendar the tent become a more negative to the water. Okay. So your position become a negative, even though you have a bigger tent covering one standard deviation, doesn't matter. IV drop, you will be losing the positions. So we such a way designed it, makes you even IV drops, you will be making more profit. So if you follow that Trend2Step rules, you won't be losing this profile. Okay. All right. I hope you're clear. This is our robust system. This is a typical double calendar. You can get it in internet. This is you can get it from the Tenduser website. Okay. So what do you will get? Typically, the system about the good and bad, the bad about the system, the ugly about the system, the rules. As I told you, upside adjustment, downside adjustment, profit taking, exit rule, and case studies. So if you don't cover any of this, bullet points, then it's considered as a strategy, not a system. Okay. As I mentioned, that is a good, bad, ugly about this strategies. Uh, Works on mostly all the IVs. No need to predict the market because we are going to trade all the months, regardless of IV high or market positive, market negative. We are going to trade this robust double calendar. Theta positive trade, rule based adjustments. It can handle small lot account. By the way, one more good news for a small account. This now double calendar system can works with a 10L account. Okay, which means earlier I was updating with the guys that only 15 lakhs account can handle the robust double calendar system. Now the person who has 10 to 12 lakhs, 10 to 12 lakhs, 10 to 12 lakhs, 20 to 12 lakhs account can handle this double calendar system peacefully, and then you can generate alpha every month after month. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next slide. So okay, this comes with a lot of adjustments. We told you, right? Comes with the adjustments rules. So before proceeding, we have in a questionnaires while adjusting the position. Are you postponing the loss or real potential fix? Cost of the adjustment. Is it better to take the loss or start over? Will it fix the? If we add another layer of the same positions, is it better, or if we take naked position or delta control? Does IV agree with your adjustment? Do stop and reverse of 50% SL applicable? Do you have enough liquidity for the strikes? Any upcoming events in the within your DTE? So you have to click yes or no, then come up with the right type of adjustments. So when you come to the yes or no, you will be picking up right type of adjustment in this 10 adjustments method here. Okay. Let's move on to the next slide. So we typically the profit taking rule is 2 to 3% or 50% of the tent. Okay. And the max stop loss in the worst scenario is 4%. We never accrued 4% loss, only in the March. Other than that, we typically adjust it. Okay. And as a simulation, you will be getting all these videos every month, simulations of last year, 12 videos, which will give you enormous confidence to play with this double calendar system. Okay, that's all, folks. I wanted to share with you this May month update and the double calendar systems performance. So do follow me in the Tenrooster Twitter, and do sign up anything about questions and things. Shoot me in the email tenrooster@gmail.com. Thanks and have a goodbye. Bye bye.